Hey guys, how are you? My name is Jonzo. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about how to make money with print on demand, and I'm going to go through the exact steps that you need to follow in order to do that. Okay, so the first step is the design creation. So after doing niche and design research, you create your designs, or you can also outsource a designer to do them. Okay. To do niche research and design research, you can use, for instance, Amazon.com, Google, Etsy, Pinterest. You should look for passionate niches that are large enough. So things like jobs and hobbies will do great. Second step is campaign creation. Okay, in this step, you will upload your designs to the print-on-demand platform and create your campaigns. You can also create stores. Okay, the platforms will let you define the pricing, the type of product, and the colors that you want to include in your campaigns. Okay, then the third step is the promotion. Okay, so you can promote your campaigns using several free and paid methods in order to have traffic and attract potential customers. Okay, so you can use your personal Facebook profile. So why not promote your campaigns to your friends and family? Okay, you can use your personal profile to participate in groups, in niche groups, and promote your campaigns there. Make sure to read the group's rules and also to reach out to the admins and ask them if they allow you to do that. One tip: offer free shipping or a 10% or 20% coupon to the members of the group, for instance. You can also create niche Facebook pages and niche Facebook groups. Okay, you can use Instagram. Okay, and then there are several paid methods that you can also use. So Facebook advertising, Google Ads, and also Bing Ads. So the fourth step here is the order. Okay, and when a customer orders a product, the print-on-demand platform deals with everything, with printing, with sales, with logistics, and customer support. So you don't have to do anything, and this is great. This is probably the main advantage of using a print-on-demand platform. Okay, and then finally, the final step is receiving the commissions. Okay, so after the sale is made, you receive the commission or the royalty. Okay, but in order to scale your business, you will need to repeat the process. So what you need to do is you go back to step number one and you create more designs. You can create more designs in the same niche, or you can try out different niches. Okay, and then you repeat the process. These are some of the platforms that I use and recommend. Okay, so Teespring, Gearbubble, Moteefe, and Marcazo. And you may be asking if you can really make money with print on demand, and the answer is yes. So this is a screenshot of my earnings with Teespring. This is 2017 and 18. I've made more than $140,000 in royalties or commissions, if you want. My profit is 90% of this. Most of my sales were organic because I had huge pages, so like pages with 1.5 million followers or likes, and this was before Facebook changed the algorithm. So I had a huge reach each time I would post. Okay, but here are some more examples. So this is gearbubble, and I've earned some money with it. This is moteefe, so this is my profit in the last 30 days. So now I'm using Facebook ads. My profit margin is around 50%, so I've spent half of this in ads. Okay, and this is Marcazo. Marcazo is a print-on-demand platform that is dedicated to selling in Brazil. Okay, this is in Brazilian currency, so this is more or less $1,000, something like that. And again, my margin is around 50, 60% in this case. Okay, So this is one of, I think, the easiest ways to make money online, okay, doing print on demand. Of course, there's a learning curve, and you cannot expect to be successful overnight. So you need to learn how to do it. You need to master each one of these steps, these three first steps that I've mentioned. So the design creation, and of course the niche and the design research, very important, and then the design creation and also the promotion. Once you master this, it will be very easy to start making money with print on demand. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you are notified each time I upload a video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Okay, bye bye, see you.